Hey Jared, this is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We spoke on the phone a little while ago today, so I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you. So hopefully you can get some good value and some free tips and tricks on how you can rank a little bit higher on Google and edge out some of your competitors. I know you're new to the space, so I hope this can be as valuable as possible. Excuse me. If by the end of this you do find some value in it and you would like to move forward and work with me and my team, feel free to reach out, but obviously no pressure. So this is your site right here. I'm just going to go over three things, really brief things, but very, very impactful things. And so those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So when it comes to content's going to be pretty much everything on your page right here. So the home page specifically, we're going to be focusing on your pictures, like your images, the images behind everything else, and then the captions. And so when it comes to the captions, total per homepage, my team and I, we don't do less than 1,500 total words for captions. And so you want to pack in as many keywords as possible. And so we'll get into like the keyword part in a little bit later in the video. I don't want to make this video too long, but essentially the more keywords, the better. Your homepage is usually the page that ranks on Google. And so you want to make sure that that's the page that has the most presence when it comes to the keywords, letting Google know exactly what you're about and what your clients can expect to find. When it comes to your pictures, the images, you want to make sure that these are saved as some of those higher ranking keywords. Google also picks up on that, and since you have so many images, like just saying like black Porsche Macan, black what is that? That's the 8th generation of the Corvette. Red Bronco, saying it as the car names won't do it nearly as justice as saying like Auto Body Vegas or Auto Detailing Las Vegas, something like that. Something that would be a more specific keyword that someone will be able to pick up on. And so when it comes to the citations are going to help out the most when it comes to the map pack area right here. So what a citation is, let me actually back up for a second. What a citation is, it's going to be the business name, the business address, and the business phone number. That's going to be one citation, and the more directories that hold your citations, the more you're going to be able to rank in this area right there. What a directory is, that's going to be like a Yellow Pages, an Angie's List, a LinkedIn, stuff like that. Just like categories online for businesses to promote themselves and to put their business on there. So the more directories you have citations in, the better you're going to rank in the map pack area, and it's also going to help you better in the organic listing area down here. And so also speaking about the organic listing area, let's hop into Ahrefs. And so this website is a website that a lot of SEO and digital marketers use, Ahrefs. It's a paid tool online. I pay around $400 a month for my team and myself. You can do a lot of keyword research in here. You can look up your backlinks. You can look up how much domain authority, domain trustworthiness you have. And so this is your Ahrefs profile essentially from your URL. Obviously it's a new site and you just built it up, so you can't really expect too much. It is good that you still have 33 keywords. Obviously build on top of that and keep on growing on top of that, and you'll be able to rank a lot higher and edge out some of your competition. This is going to be the #1 guy out here when you search auto detailing Las Vegas, Nevada, right under Yelp, which is a directory. This is his Ahrefs profile, essentially, his overview. So he has 631 organic traffic every month. He has 662, he or she has 662 organic keywords on the site. So obviously that right there is going to show you a little bit more of their dominance. So what a backlink is, getting to that point of this, is going to be a link linking from your website to another website or from another website to your website. So it could be like a blog post, a social post, some sort of like social profile, something where one website is linking to another website, right? But not all backlinks are created equal. So you could have like 3,000 backlinks on your website, but if they're not relevant to the industry that you're in, they're not going to hold nearly as much weight. And so since you are in the auto detailing world, if you were linked to like a Bed Bath & Beyond or like a Chuck E. Cheese or like a McDonald's, even though those are pretty dominant forces within their own right, since it's within completely irrelevant industries to yours, it wouldn't have nearly as much weight. And so let's hop into your competitor's backlink right here. And so a good thing about looking into theirs, you can see what they're actually linking to, and you can honestly just go in and you can link to them yourself. You can see how they were linking to them, whether it was through a certain blog post or whatever it might be, and just do that same thing through this competitor. I would say like the top 5 competitors pretty much run what they're doing, and just do that. And so you can see in here, it's auto include. You have Glossit. They have a lot of the Glossit on here. I saw some other ones. Here it is, Planet 9. It's like this is a blog, obviously, for a Porsche 911 blog. So on the strip, so it's listing car washes in Las Vegas. So it's very specific things to the industry. They've clearly optimized that, and that's given them their benefit right there. And so the more referring domains you have that give you more authoritative backlinks, that's going to help you rank in the end. And that's essentially it, my man. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back. And as I said in the beginning of the video, absolutely no pressure. If you found some value from this and you would like to work with us down the line, feel free to hit us up. But I hope that you found some good value from this video.